Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Tesla Model Y rear door panel. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary tools. You will need a Torx T30 socket, a 1/4 inch standard ratchet, and a 2-inch extension. Also, have some non-marring plastic pry tools ready. Remember to fully lower the rear door window before beginning any work for easier access and safety. Now, let's begin by carefully removing the rear door puddle light, typically found at the bottom edge of the panel. After that, locate the two Torx T30 screws that hold the panel in place. One screw is usually hidden behind the reflector on the side, and another can be found underneath the armrest. Gently remove these two screws and keep them in a safe place. With the screws removed, it's time to release the panel's clips. Start by gently prying the trim panel from the opening where the puddle light was. Work your way around the entire edge of the panel, using your plastic pry tool to release all the clips, moving from the bottom upwards. Once the clips are free, carefully disconnect the main electrical wiring harness from its various connectors. To fully remove the panel, simply raise it upwards to unhook it from the top edge of the door frame. Before setting the panel aside, inspect the door for any remaining push clip retainers and remove them if present. For reinstallation, ensure all electrical connections are securely reattached and that all clips align perfectly before pressing the panel back into place. Double-check for a tight fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.